Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna compare this two smartphone. One side here it is Redmi A4 5G smartphone, and another side is Tecno Spark 30C 5G smartphone. So let's, here it is a quick design. At this back Redmi, you can see a glossy glass design and it is a black color. And at this side you will see this is also a black, but it is in the matte finish, you can see. And here it is a Spark branding over this, and here it is Redmi 5G. So let's open both. So friends, here it is the display. The Redmi display is 6.88 HD plus display, and Tecno smartphone is 6.67 in display. So let's open both, and let's open the apps. Which app open faster in two smartphone? So first let's open the gallery, and as you can see the Redmi first open the app. Let's open the settings, and now Tecno smartphone open the settings app, and here it is the camera. And now the Redmi one open the fast. Let's talk about its specification. So let's open the settings. It both have 6 GB 128 GB of storage. Let's click on about phone, and here you can see the version, Android version. This is the RAM is extendable, but in Redmi there is no extendable storage. It is 4 plus 4 GB, and this is only 4 GB. And let's talk about the processor. You can see it in detailed inform and specs. It's a Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 mobile platform, octa-core, max 2.0 GHz, and this is Dimensity 6300. And its rear camera, means its back camera, is 48 megapixel, and this Redmi smartphone has 50 megapixel. And here are the selfie camera. The Tecno have 8 megapixel of selfie camera, and the Redmi one is 5 megapixel of camera. Let's talk about its smoothness and refresh rate. Who runs better game? So let's write both in refresh rate like this. Friends, as you can see the refresh rate, it has in Redmi it has 120 Hz refresh rate and 60 Hz, but in Tecno it has 60 Hz, 90 Hz and 120 Hz. It has balanced refresh rate 90 Hz. This will bring a smoother visual experience, but will increase power consumption to a certain extent. Friends, let's talk about its battery life. Here the Tecno smartphone have 5000 mAh of battery, but in Redmi it has 5160 mAh of battery life, plus 18 volt of fast charger given in the box. Let's check its security features. So let's open both settings and click on security. As you can see, it has 3 security feature in Tecno smartphone: lock screen password, fingerprint and face unlock. But in Redmi one there is a screen lock, fingerprint, face lock, and fourth is unlock with Bluetooth device. There is a new feature: if you have smartwatch or anything that is connected to it, you have to give a certain command to open your smartphone. Let's check its inbox accessories. Let's keep the phone aside and open the both the boxes. Here it is, the Tecno smartphone box, and one is Redmi, and you can see both have a tray. So let's open it. And you can see here it is, the in Tecno smartphone there is extra thing, that is this protection cover. It is a case. You can see it is a rubber case. The quality of this case is very good. It will protect from scratches. And as you can see in Redmi, there is no protective case given in this. You will see a 33 volt of fast charging adapter in the box accessories, and USB type C to type USB given in the box. Here it is, the tray, that is SIM tool and one USB, one quick guide given in the box. And in Tecno you will see a user manual, some stickers, and 12 months warranty card, one SIM tool. And here it is, USB to type C charging cable, but there is no adapter given in the box. In Tecno smartphone you have to buy it separately from the shop, from the Tecno website, or wherever you have bought this, you have to purchase separately. So here it is, the comparison. Comment down if you like the one smartphone. I have given both phone link. If you want to buy it, you can check it out there. I hope you like this comparison video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.